Most of us want to do big boy. You want to impress. You now want to be heating your water anytime you want to bath.
Osman!
My leader!
Olale for you!
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Come, let me shalaye the danger that is attached to water heater before you impress that your babe. Before you use that water heater in that your hotel room. Do you know a poorly wired water heater can overload your electrical circuit and can cause fire outbreak? Because average water heater runs at around 1125 watts. Some powerful water heater can use up to 4000 watts. That's massive. That one don't go. Secondly, a wrongly installed electrical water heater can cause electric shock and can electrocute the user when the user touches it.
Hey!
Have something on the back of your mind. Never you touch a water heater or touch the water inside a water heater that is on. Another advice I will give to you, my brother, come closer. Anytime you feel like using water heater, some water heater are carrying cost. Some have village people hand in them. So anytime you feel like using water heater, allow the water heater do its work. Allow it heat the water very well. Let it heat the water properly. Then dispense this water into a bucket. Normally, we used to have buckets in bedroom in Nigeria. You can now start using the water from the bucket, water you have just dispensed from the water heater. Because a faulty water heater can transfer current into the water you want to use to bath. And the water will carry current and transfer it to your body. And after that, I don't want to say it. You will not be electrocuted and you will not receive shock inside bedroom. So to avoid all these stories, dispense your water you just heat. Use your water from the bucket for you to be safe.